Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Brina. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eyeshadow look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this rainbow cut crease with a double pop of glitter, keep on watching. We're going to be using the James Charles and Morphe palette today, of course, because this is the perfect palette for any rainbow look. So I already have my eyes primed and I just used some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And the very first step for this look is to start by taking some tape. And you can obviously skip this step if you don't like that sharp line on the edge, but that's what we're going for today. So I just place the tape on the back of my hand to get rid of the majority of the stickiness so it doesn't pull too much when we take it off the face. And then I'm just going to line it up with my lower lash line and place it like so. I'm going to start by taking the shade 518 on a medium-sized fluffy brush, and we're going to just pat this shade into place in the front half of the eye above the crease, and we're just going to focus it on this area. And when I'm doing a very dramatic look like the one we're doing today, I like to take the eyeshadow all the way up to the brow, especially on the inner corner. I just think it gives it a little bit of a extra oomph to the look. So as you can maybe see, I'm really focusing it on blending that edge out onto basically the side of the bridge of my nose. Now taking the same brush and going into the shade You're Kidding, this nice red shade, I'm just going to apply that to the other half of above the crease and then blend that into the orange. And as you can see, I am just going right over the tape with the brush, making sure that it's extremely pigmented there too, because I really like it when it's just a nice harsh line. So we're going to be going in with some eyeliner later, and this just really helps with that, and I think it makes the look come off way cleaner and just looks better in my opinion, which makeup is all just a matter of opinion and what looks good in my opinion anyways. Picked up a little bit more orange to blend the two together in the center. Just gonna add a little bit more red to the outside of the eye and call that good. Now I'm going to take some more Tarte Shape Tape and a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to cut the crease. So as always, I'm just applying the concealer to the lower part of my lid, and then I'm just going to look up, and that is the shape we want. I'm also going to take this outer edge and bring it to a point, and then I'm also going to take the front edge and I'm going to bring that up a little bit higher, just like that. Even it out a little bit. And this looks really messy right now. It absolutely does not look good, but trust me, it is going to be worth it. So now that we have that crease all cut, I'm going to take the shade B, this yellow shade right here, on a eye shading brush. So we're just gonna pick up a pretty generous amount of this yellow shade, and then I'm going to just pack that on to the inner corner of the cut crease, and I'm going to bring it all the way down where we brought that concealer to cut the crease. And I like to hold the brush flat against my eye and then get it right up to the edge of that cut crease and then just wiggle it to make sure that I get all the way up to the cut crease but not going past it. I'm going to be using the same brush to do the whole entire eyelid, so I'm just going to go into the next shade, which is this bright green one, Social Blade, and then pop that on right where we finished with the yellow. And then moving on to the next shade, this bright blue one, Playground. Repeat the same steps as we did with the green. And then lastly, I'm going to mix these two purple shades down here. And now obviously you could leave this eyeshadow look looking just like this, but I'm going to take it a couple of steps further. And I'm going to first start by adding the e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade Disco Queen. And I'm going to add that to the top of that cut crease to really define it even more. And I'm just going to use this Lavish fine liner brush. I'm also going to tap into a little bit of a ring light and just pop that on, focusing it mostly onto the yellow and the green. And then I guess also on the blue. So I'm just not going to put it on the purple mainly. And we're not doing too much of this, just a little bit. And now it's time for liner. So I'm first going to start by taking the NYX Final Liquid Eyeliner. And this is obviously where the tape comes in handy. And now I'm going to take the e.l.f. Liquid Eyeshadow in this shade Black Magic, and I'm just going to take this angled brush to apply it over top of the black eyeliner. And now my favorite part, we get to take the tape off to see what we are left with here. Now I'm going to do my other eye off camera and finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back to do the under eye and lashes. Now I'm going to take the shade Skip and just sweep that all along my lower lash line. I'm going to apply lashes and mascara off camera. And that is it for this look. I also would like to add that I did use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Caught in Your Web to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone, which I think really helps to pull this look together because this is like a hollow highlighter, so I think it looks really good with this eyeshadow look. Please let me know in the comments what other kinds of eyeshadow looks you would like to see me do, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!